Hello guys, I'm Computer Fanboy and welcome to part 1 of my series on media. And the first thing I'm going to be showing you is the common Windows application known as Windows Media Player. So to launch Windows Media Player from Windows XP, you want to hit Start, All Programs, and then you want to find Windows Media Player in the Entertainment section. If you want to do this with Windows Vista or Windows 7, you just type in Windows Media Player. And hit enter, and it should launch. Now, Windows Media Player, as known by almost all people who use Windows, is a common media player, and if you are locked into Windows formats, then this thing will be awesome for you guys, because the way it organizes your media by your library, you can search your music, you can go by artist, album genre, and you can also have playlists, so if you want to mix your music around. Now, one thing that I like about Windows Media Player 12 is the way it organizes it. I also have a search bar in here too. So let's say I search for Mars by Gustav Holst. I click the song and then it launches up here. I'm going to give that a 5-star rating. So you can search for your music. It is very limited on support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what it doesn't support. I know that it doesn't support Monkey's Audio, no, it doesn't support Free Lossless Audio Codec, but let's just see how well it supports. Formats. If I spell it right. There we go. Little Wikipedia should probably show me. Yeah, it was added in Windows Media Player 11, the search, so if you have Windows Media Player 10, you can't. Now, they did release a version 9 for Macintosh, but they kind of removed that, because they felt like they already had software, so there was really no point. So, the latest version is Media Player 12, which I'll click on. And what's nice is that it does support common file formats. So, unfortunately, I can't get the list of what it does support, so I'm going to list it out to you guys. So, it does support MP3s, and I believe it does support MPEG-4, like as stated, H.264 encoding, which is MPEG-4. And they have allowed that in Windows Media Player 11, or 12, excuse me. What am I saying? So, it's definitely a new feature that they've added. They never used to support MPEG-4 and .move. Now it does. So they've actually added quite a bit of formats. They added MPEG-4, Xvideo, and DivX, as well as AAC audio, 3G4. So they are expanding, which is a good thing. However, it does not support FLAC, and it does not support, I believe, let me think here, Monkey's Audio. So it's definitely expanding. The movies are expanding, and it definitely supports AVI and HD AVIs very well. I'm gonna show you this.
Hello guys, I'm Computer Fanboy here, and today,
and this is in HD.
It's updating.
So if you want to view my movie in HD, you can just click the HD tab. Oh, and you can't rate my video 1 out of 5 stars, because YouTube was kind enough to remove that. I'm being sarcastic. So anyways, Windows Media Player has also a cool feature. And not only does it allow you to search, but what's really cool, so I play my music, I right-click, view, now playing. The visualizations are awesome. This is a downloaded visualization. Now this is random. They've got so much. And it really, this visualization alone really captures it. plenty of others, and you can view in full screen. So, that's really cool as well. I like the visualizations, which is a nice feature in Windows Media Player. I also like this. Now I'm going to choose skins. Skins allow me to have a custom theme of Windows Media Player. So, let's choose the Dreamcatcher skin. And as you can see, a little bit of effects. It's meant to be a smaller version in reality. It's not necessarily needed, but it's kind of cool looking as well. I'm going to switch back to my full-size library. But you can download some online. I don't think they're going to make much more, but as you can see, it's really neat with the skins. I'm going to choose... This one is really cool. The Batman Begins one. So as you can see, it's really meant to be smaller, but it's really cool, in my opinion. Unfortunately, YouTube restricts my time usage to 10 minutes. So, I still have 4 minutes left, so let me show you a DVD, which is a nice feature of Windows 7 and Windows Vista. Home Premium is that they add a codec for watching DVDs. They never used to. So if you install the Windows operating system without, like Windows XP or Windows 2000, I believe, you can't have DVD support. So you have to download a codec that allows you to. But they've actually have a codec in Windows Media Player for Windows Vista and Windows 7. So it works really well. So I'm going to go back to my library, and now I'm going to play my DVD. And I think I showed this to you guys before, but it works like a regular DVD player. You can right click, you can choose DVD features once we get there. Hold on. Come on. If you click this DVD feature, lets me choose my menu option. So if I hit root menu, it'll take me to the root of the menu. Should work. However, it's not working. There we go. And as you can see, I can use it like a normal DVD player. Special features. Commentary, play movie, menu. So it works the same way as a normal DVD player would work. So it's really cool. You can view your pictures also as well. Not too limited in picture viewing, actually, which is surprising. I'm not sure if it supports JPEG, but I'm pretty sure it does. So to conclude this video, if you're a common music video viewer or music video, if you're a music listener or a video listener, viewer, it is definitely worth giving Media Player a try. However, if you're a person who likes more advanced formats, such as, I believe they have one called .mkv, which it doesn't support under Windows Media Player. Excuse me, I'm having one of those days. But anyways, it definitely works well, and you can view your files like you would. You can search for your music files. You can search for your movie files, so it's definitely worth looking into if you are a common media person who doesn't really have too much of a variety in file formats. But if you are using different file formats, there's this, for music anyways, there's this program called the it's called FooBar 2000, and this is version 1.0.1. It's definitely worth looking into if you like different media file formats. So definitely watch more of my videos, guys, and I will be making more videos. And this is part 1 of the series. Part 2, I'm going to talk about FooBar, and part 3, I am going to talk about Windows Media Center. And there'll be more videos of this compilation later. So definitely subscribe, guys. Remember, I'm not a computer fanboy of Macintosh, Linux, or Windows. I like all operating systems as well as technology. So thank you guys for watching this video. I am Computer Fanboy, and definitely subscribe. I will be making more videos. And be sure to rate my videos as like or dislike. Thank you, YouTube, for not letting people choose in between. I appreciate that. So thank you guys for watching these videos, and definitely subscribe.